So right now we have some massive news for the Bitcoin price because it looks like Bitcoin has recently broken out of a key level of resistance right here inside the daily time frame, and that is why in this video we will be talking about what we could expect for the Bitcoin price from here, what are the important levels to look out for as an investor, and also what are the possible bullish and bearish scenarios that may arise in the very short term that we should certainly prepare for as an investor. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump straight into the daily time frame charts. And as you guys can see right now, the Bitcoin price is breaking out right here, which is absolutely massive. So if you remembered in my previous video, I have mentioned that if we do see Bitcoin break above this resistance level, that is the moment I would start to flip bullish, because again, previously this was acting as a strong resistance level as reflected by the multiple touch points and rejections. So therefore I haven't flipped bullish yet, and I expected primarily for Bitcoin to continue the move towards the downside, particularly to this VWAP before having a bounce from there. But it looks like Bitcoin has taken the bullish path instead and broke out of resistance right here, which is again bullish news. So what could we expect from here for the Bitcoin price? Well, first off, I would like you guys to look out for two resistance levels. One is a minor resistance level, and that is located right here at around $45,000. So this is a minor resistance level to look out for. And as you guys can see, let me adjust this right now, but as you guys can see, the Bitcoin price is facing resistance at this minor resistance level as reflected by the red, by opening in the red candle. But if we do zoom out back inside the daily time frame, the major resistance level is actually located right here at around $47.2 thousand, and $47.2 thousand is actually our target for this breakout we're having right now. So pay attention to these two levels of resistance. The first target is $45.5 thousand, but the ideal target for this breakout is a pump towards the previous swing high we had right here, and that is at around $47.2 thousand. So right now I would like you guys to look out for these two targets we have for this breakout. And just be warned, we could see Bitcoin face resistance right here again, because these are resistance levels, and we could most likely see Bitcoin get rejected. So just be warned about this. But again, if we clear this minor resistance, we could now proceed towards the next major resistance right here at $47.2 thousand. So also I have another scenario in mind, because again, we just broke out of resistance right here, and usually after a breakout, we usually see the prices have a retest of previous resistance and flip that to support before continuing the move towards the upside. So that's also one scenario to keep in mind, which could also possibly happen. So just be aware of these scenarios. But now let us move towards the weekly time frame and talk about my mid to long term perspective for Bitcoin. Now, if you have been following the channel, you know I'm always bullish on the Bitcoin price. I have said that if we do see, of course, we're going to see Bitcoin enter the halving phase, and once it happens, we are obviously in the channel expecting Bitcoin to skyrocket and break past its previous all-time high right here. That is our primary expectation once we do enter the halving phase, which is where this vertical line is located at. So yeah, right now we could see Bitcoin in the short term have dips along the way, but that doesn't affect our long-term view for Bitcoin, and that is I'm expecting Bitcoin to again smash past its previous all-time high as we do enter the bull market phase. As we do enter the Bitcoin halving phase, I'm expecting higher prices generally for Bitcoin and the entire crypto altcoin market. But again, in the short term, just be warned that we can see choppiness along the way. We can see Bitcoin have sharp pullbacks. We could see flash crashes happen due to unexpected FUDs in the market. But yeah, right now it looks like Bitcoin has again taken the bullish route in the short term by breaking above a key level of resistance right here. So this is certainly an interesting interesting price action we have right here. So again, right now in the short term, I'm looking at these targets that I have mentioned. Again, the first target is $45.5 thousand, and our ideal target for this breakout is a move towards 47.2 or $47.1 thousand for this breakout. So in the next couple of hours or days, we could see Bitcoin continue this pump towards the respective targets, or we could most likely see Bitcoin have a retest before continuing the move towards the upside. So these are the scenarios we could expect in the coming days. Also, before you click away, you could actually qualify right now for a free $30 bonus. All you have to do is go below the description right now and sign up to Blowfin using my exclusive affiliate link and make your first futures deposit. Keep in mind, this is a limited time offer and you're competing against the first 200 people who sign up. All the details are inside my Discord server, so join the Swan group and take your $30 bonus today. So act now.